Hey guys, welcome to my first video. Today I will basically explaining how to make a cool cat moving effect in Scratch. So yeah, we'll start by going to events and then getting the red green flag clicked. After that we'll get an forever loop, and that will basically make the effect last forever. After that we'll make the cat always point towards the mouse so the so they can follow. After that, we'll make it always move over to the mouse. So now that it's both going in the direction of the mouse, both looking at it and moving towards it. But if we stop the mouse, this happens. It will just begin spinning, which isn't supposed to happen. So here you can see it on full screen instead. So now we will basically fix that problem. So if you put the distance to mouse pointer block in, you can see that it will follow the mouse, and the faster your mouse is, the faster it goes. I mean, the longer it's away from the mouse. But instead, we also put the divided by block and put this distance 2 in the first one, and in the second part we'll put 5. Then it will do this clean effect. Looks pretty cool. This works very good, but let's just put in some effects. So let's start by creating a clone of ourselves. This will make clones of ourselves behind us, but they'll just stay and do nothing and just be there. So if you do too many, you'll just stop coming. So when I start as a clone, we're going to repeat the same thing 50 times. So we can put in an effect. So now let's go to looks to get an effect and then change the ghost effect by 2. This will make the clones disappear, but they're actually still there, just invisible. So here I just got a few messages, so I revealed something I wasn't supposed to reveal. So let's get back to coding. So here that looks pretty cool. So here we're going to also change the color effect by 5, so it will have a kind of rainbow effect, which looks pretty cool. And then it will disappear. But now let's add a little size changing effect. So if you change it by -4, it will have this cool um, being small and then disappearing effect. And remember to save, like always. And the clones will still be there, so we have to delete the clones right after all the effects. So now it looks pretty cool. And again, you should probably save now if you want it saved. You can do a lot with this, I think. You can do a lot of different things. So yeah. Did you see what I just built? I spelled SOP! Bye bye guys. See you in the next video. Bye.